In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert your picture into a Word document perfectly. Whether you're preparing a report, creating a flyer, or designing a presentation, placing an image in just the right spot can make all the difference. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure your picture stays put exactly where you want it, no matter how much you edit other parts of your document. First things first, let's get your picture into the document. Open Word and navigate to the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. Clicking on Pictures will present you with a couple of options. Choose this device if your picture is saved locally on your computer, or select From Online if you want to pull an image from the web. Once you've found your image, insert it into your document. Now that your picture is in the document, it's important to check how it interacts with your text. With the image selected, you'll want to adjust its text wrapping settings. This is crucial because the default setting may cause the image to behave erratically when text is added or deleted around it. Go to the Picture Format tab, which sometimes simply appears as Format, then click on Wrap Text. You can select from options such as Square, Tight, Behind Text, or In Front of Text. Each choice offers a different style of integration with your text, and you should pick one that best supports the layout you're aiming for. Once you've chosen how to wrap text around your image, there are a few more adjustments we can make to ensure your image stays precisely where you need it, even if you make future edits to the document. Look for the small layout icon near your picture. Clicking it will bring up the advanced layout options. Alternatively, you can right-click the picture and select Size and Position, or More Layout Options. Within this window, head over to the Position tab. This is where we can secure the picture in its spot. By unchecking Move Object with Text, you prevent the picture from shifting locations as you edit the text around it. If you want the image to remain completely stationary on the page, consider locking its anchor as well. To do this, check Lock Anchor, which ensures it stays connected to a specific paragraph. For maximum stability, selecting an absolute position relative to page can keep it fixed even further. To really nail down its location, you might want to opt for Fix Position on Page via the Layout Options pop-up that appears next to the picture. This is especially useful if you're inserting or deleting text above your image. Finally, hit OK to apply all these settings. Once you've done this, the picture will maintain its position, allowing you to continue editing your document without worrying about the image moving unexpectedly.